My name is Linda. My channel is all about style and fashion, sometimes sprinkled with nail tutorials and skincare. But today, it's none of those. It's a collaboration friend mail video, and if you want to see what it's all about, keep watching. All right, before we get started, if there are any of my plus size girls that have been dying for like one of these cropped off kind of knit loungewear sets, I know I personally could never find one, but this one, oh, it's so comfy and cozy. I found it at ELOQUII. So if you're interested, and it's 100% cotton, so it's cool. Didn't I tell you guys? Now there's an airplane above. I told you whenever I start filming. Can you guys hear that? But anyway, I will leave this link down below. It's from ELOQUII. When they sent me an email some time ago, I ordered it. And I really don't wear it a lot because, you know, I'm just here at home. But I thought this would be a perfect, comfortable day because the high today is only 57. Anyway, let's get on with the unboxing. Okay, so first of all, this is a collaboration that was created by Pat over on Bless GMP. And she had asked us if anybody was interested in doing an Easter collaboration. So there are 10 of us that are joining in this. And there were 5 areas or 5 categories. You needed to choose something makeup related, skincare, apparel, decor like for the home, and food. So my person that got my name is Lauren Perkins. Lauren is a YouTuber. She is a wife, a mom. She loves doing all kinds of unboxings. She does some cooking on her channel as well as DIYs. And so make sure that you go and check her out as well. And I'll have all 9 ladies' videos listed below. So let's see what Lauren has sent for me. Okay, so first of all, we have the box that I've already cut open. All these folds here. Okay, so we've got all kind of goodies. All right. I'm not going to do them in any particular order. But what I did tell Lauren, because you guys know I'm a little bit of a makeup snob. I only like my Lancome. So I told her, don't worry about that because, you know, one Lancome item is basically the limit. Oh, I forgot to tell you, we had a $30 cap limit to spend. Okay? So, let me see if since it's all mixed up, I'm not going to go in order like makeup, skincare, whatnot. This is going to start with the food. So this is Lily's sugar-free Sweet Life milk chocolate covered peanuts. Because I did tell her I love chocolate covered peanuts. So those sound yummy. And yes, Lauren, I am trying to do without the sugar, so I appreciate that. Okay, next. Oh, this is an eyeshadow palette. Uh-oh, does that mean I have to do another get ready with me? You guys know I love playing with makeup for myself, but like as a tutorial kind of thing, not so much. This is Afternoon Rendezvous, 16 color eyeshadow. Those are some really pretty colors, Lauren. Thank you. I hope you guys can see. You know, I have it turned around in the opposite way. Ooh, this is going to be good for Mask Monday. Oh, and you know what? She must have watched my videos because remember I told you guys I like a clay mask. This is pure clay brightening mask from L'Oreal Paris. Thank you, Lauren. I'll be using this on Mask Monday. She's got it nice and packaged up here so it won't get damaged. Okay, I might have to get some, wait a minute, I think I'm getting it. Well, Lauren, I can say you definitely have it packaged well. You did not want anything to get damaged. Okay. And there's a note. Hello, Linda, my sweet new friend. Hey, Lauren. I hope you enjoy all your goodies and have an amazing Easter. I'm so glad we met and hope we stay friends for years to come. Have an amazing day, Lauren Perkins. Thank you, Lauren. That is so sweet. All right, so Lauren has more goodies in here. This is a, oh, this is so cute. It's like a little plaque I can hang. It says Easter blessings. I can get into it. Cuticle stick. This is so cute. Uh-oh. I'll have to get the string put back on, but it's a little plaque that says Easter blessings. That is so pretty. Thanks, Lauren. I'm going to put it over by the fireplace. And there's some more. I'm assuming this is the apparel. It looks like a scarf. You ladies know I love my scarves. Oh, this is pretty and springy. Oh, and it's got yellow. Lots of yellow. I love it. Lauren, this is beautiful. Guys, look at these flowers on here. Isn't that pretty? Thank you, Lauren. I love it. That's beautiful. Oh, there's an eyeshadow brush to go with the palette. Thank you. Oh, that's soft. There's some more goodies in here. Oh, you know what? I have been wanting to try one of these. It's that 111 Skin. These things are expensive. Okay, I changed my mind. That might not be Mask Monday. This might be. I can't wait to try this. Thank you, Lauren. This is After Spa Reusable Rounds. Thank you. They're like the little, oh, they're soft. Thank you. I'm going to use everything. All right, now, Lauren, after the sugar-free peanuts, now I'm going to ruin it again. I'm totally going to eat these. It's chocolate covered peanut M&M's. I didn't even know they made it like in a bar. Yum. Thank you, Lauren. I love everything. Thank you so much. Now, guys, make sure that you go and check out Lauren's channel, as well as all other, well, including Lauren, it's 9, but I was going to say all other 8 ladies, but including Lauren, it's 9. There's 10 of us, and everybody is going to be linked down below. Make sure you go over, watch their videos, subscribe to their channels as well. And thank you so much, Lauren. I love everything, and I truly appreciate it. So, guys, make sure that you are staying safe and healthy out there. And above all, make sure that you keep it sassy and have a blessed Easter.